In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rank values in Excel. Whether you're working with sales figures, test scores, or any list of numbers, ranking helps you instantly see who's at the top, who's in the middle, and who needs attention. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll have a reliable formula you can reuse whenever you need it. First, click the cell where you want the rank to appear. This should be beside the first value you want to evaluate, so it's easy to read across your row. Placing the result right next to the source number keeps your sheet tidy and makes it obvious which rank belongs to which value. Now, type the formula exactly like this: equals rank.EQ, open parenthesis. Then select the first number you want to rank. After that, select the full range that contains all the numbers you're comparing against. Finally, type a 0 and close the parenthesis. In Excel syntax, it looks like x rank like EQ, first value, full range, 0. The first argument is the specific value you want to rank. The second argument is the complete list of values that define the competition. The last argument, 0, tells Excel to rank in descending order, which means the largest number gets rank 1. If you ever need the smallest number to be rank 1, you'd use 1 instead. But for most scoreboards and performance lists, 0 is what you want. Depending on your regional settings, Excel may require semicolons instead of commas between arguments, so follow what your version expects. Also, if you plan to copy this formula to other rows later, remember that making the range absolute with $signs will keep it locked as you fill down. Press Enter to calculate. You'll immediately see the rank for that first value within the list you defined. If there are ties, meaning 2 or more identical numbers, RANK.EQ assigns the same rank to each of them and then skips the next rank accordingly. That's normal behavior and makes it clear when values are equal. If you ever need tied values to get an average position instead, Excel also offers rank.avg. But for most leaderboard-style needs, RANK.EQ is the straightforward choice. That's it. You clicked the target cell, wrote a precise RANK.EQ formula with the value, the full comparison range, and a 0 for descending order, and pressed Enter to get a clean, accurate rank. Use this approach anytime you want a fast, professional ranking in your spreadsheets.